Hi guys, look what I found sa Unitop. And this is the only stock left there is. And I think it's for me. It's a purple stapler.
She loves purple.
Let's open it. This is an ASMR video. Wait, how do you open this one? Like, there's no tape. There's no tape. Yeah. So just open it here.
Let me see. There's no
Yeah.
tape. You sure this?
It's just the trust tape for this one. Okay, now let's open it. I'm giving away this ball pen to my sister. Because I don't need it. I just need this one. I actually don't need it because I already have a stapler, but I want it because it's purple stapler. Girl, it's so pretty. Ta-da!
Who's your girl?
Let's try it. Staple my mouth. Yeah. It's empty. See, it's so cute. And it comes with a staple. So let's put some. Let's put some.
Noodles are so yummy.
Yeah.
Wanna have some?
No, thank you. Ooh, it does have the big staple. No, I thought it was like the small one. But these are the big. Okay, so let's try it here. We've got this one.
Halang.
Let's try it. See? It's perfect and it's cute. And it's lightweight and portable. I don't know, it's just so cute.